Class A Barber Practical Professional Shave. You will have 42 minutes to complete this section of the examination. You will first begin by removing your stayboard bag from your kit. Ensure that your kit remains sanitary by closing the bag completely. Before opening the bag, you must sanitize and clean your hands. Be sure to sanitize the front, back of your hands, in between your fingers and your wrist. Then you may set up your workstation. When supplies have been removed from the bag, you may dispose in your trash bag and sanitize your hands. Now you're ready to prepare the client for the service. Place the would-be on the headrest to keep the client's skin from touching the chair. Lean the client back into a comfortable position and grab your towel. Place it across the client's chest and grab the bottom corner and tuck it underneath his shirt. Repeat the same steps on the opposite side. Now you take the chemical drape and place it over the client's chest, ensuring that the cape does not touch the skin and it is loosely placed across his chest. And finally, layer the second towel over the cape. Secure it underneath the collar. The third towel will be placed over the client's shoulder and is what you will use to clean your razor. Now you will prepare the client's face for the shave. Make sure to sanitize your hands before applying shave cream to the client's face. Dispense your product into your hand and ensure that the bottle remains closed when not in use. Apply the cream onto the face and beard and ensure full saturation on both sides. Now grab a towel and wet with warm water. There will be sinks available in your practical examination room to use at your leisure. Next, place the towel on the client's face to remove the lather. Be sure to test for temperature on the inside of your wrist first. Allow room for the client to breathe by exposing the nose. Press towel against the face and use small circular motions to remove the product from the face. Dispose of the towel and sanitize your hands. You will repeat this process a second time in preparation for the shave. Apply shave cream onto the back of your hand and ensure the bottle is closed. Disperse the product onto the client's face and beard and relather the face. Once you are finished relathering the face, you will indicate that you are done by raising your hand. The rater will then come up and ask you to perform a series of demonstrations. You will first demonstrate the freehand stroke in the appropriate area, then demonstrate the backhand stroke in the appropriate area, and finally, you will demonstrate the reverse freehand stroke in the appropriate area. Once you have completed your demonstrations, the rater will ask you to complete the shave. You may relather the face as needed and follow the 14 strokes in the appropriate area. The shave must be a complete full shave. You may apply another hot towel onto the face to aid in softening the skin. Be sure to check for the temperature on the inside of your wrist before applying over the face. Stroke number 1 is your freehand stroke. Make sure to maintain good posture and that your razor is at a 30-degree angle. This is the backhand stroke. Stroke number 3 is a freehand stroke over the lip. Stroke number 4 is a freehand stroke underneath the chin. Stroke number 5 is the reverse freehand stroke. Use your opposite hand to hold the skin taut. Now working on the opposite side of the lip, stroke number 6 is your backhand stroke. Stroke number 7, backhand stroke. Your stance should be just above the shoulder of your client. Stroke number 8 is your freehand stroke. Stroke number 9, backhand stroke. Stroke number 10, reverse freehand stroke. Stroke 11 is right on the chin. It's a freehand stroke moving across the chin. You may give your client direction with simple gestures and signals. There are two options for stroke number 12. You can use a freehand stroke or a backhand stroke. Here is demonstrating a freehand stroke. Stroke 13 is a reverse freehand stroke. Make sure the chin is all the way up and the neck is stretched out when working stroke 13. Stroke 14 is another reverse freehand stroke, and that completes your shave. You may dispose of the towel and sanitize your hands. With a hot towel, remove all traces of lather from the client's face. Once you're done, you may apply skin tonic and lotion and then take off the draping completely from the client. Dispose of all supplies and sanitize your workstation.